are you guys ready to get started? Thank you guys so much for coming to Hy-Vee for our Little Chefs cooking class today. It's Valentine's theme today. Are you guys all excited for Valentine's Day on Friday? Yeah. My name is Emily McMillan and I'm a registered dietitian at Hy-Vee. We are at the West Circle Drive Hy-Vee. We are doing a Little Chefs cooking class. We do one of these at least once a month, and we do different themes every month. Gets kids in the kitchen, they get practice chopping a little bit with plastic knives, spreading cream cheese on different things, and trying new foods. So we're gonna be making 4 recipes today, okay? Raise your hand if you guys cook at home. You guys do some cooking at home? Yeah? That is awesome. Today is Valentine's Day theme, so we are doing mini Valentine's muffin pizzas. So we use an English muffin pizza, and we are making pink parfaits that use strawberry yogurt, strawberries, granola, and we top it with whipped cream and sprinkles. All right, here's some plates. There you go. There you go.
Do you want to do a lot of sauce or a little sauce? All over? Perfect. Okay. Want a little more sauce?
Gosh, I feel like it's sometimes hard to narrow down which recipes we want to use because we find so many fun ones that we think the kids would love. So we like to try recipes that they probably haven't done before and may use foods that they haven't tried before.
So once your pizzas are done, we will bring them over here and put them on this tray and we'll write your name on it. And then I'm gonna run them over to the oven.
Are you more excited to eat them? So we used to just offer this like one day every month, but we've been really selling out these classes. So this Valentine's class, we have 3 options, and they all pretty much sold out. I think kids just love cooking. They don't always do this in school, so this gives them an option to be with other kids, trying different recipes, and getting the exposure to cooking.
This part.
We actually give these kids certificates, and when they come to 3 classes, they get to pick out a prize. All right, did you guys have fun making those pizzas? Are you more excited to eat them? Yeah? Okay. The next recipe that we're gonna make is pink parfaits. And when you guys cut the strawberry, we'll have you guys cut it. We'll have plastic knives, and you can just cut the top off, the green part, and then you can just slice the strawberry however you'd like to put on your parfait, okay? Think you guys can do that? Yeah? All right. Oh, parents love it. They love seeing their kids, being hands-on, trying new foods. A lot of parents say, my kid has never liked celery at home, but when they're here, they love it, and just trying it different ways. It gives parents different ideas of ways that they can use healthier foods. We give all the parents the recipes to take home so they can make them again at home. So parents love it for just different ideas for how to cook and just seeing their kids try new foods.
You're almost through.
Yeah, this is probably one of my favorite things that I do as a dietitian in a retail setting. Just seeing the kids and how excited they are, and they come back and they just want to keep doing it. Some parents will tell us that in the morning their kids just are like, when do we get to go to the cooking class at Hy-Vee? And so it's just like warms my heart to see all these kids loving to cook and trying new foods. I think if parents are looking for a way to get their kids involved in cooking and just trying new foods, this is a great opportunity. What do you guys think? Tastes good?